So I haven't started this boat in months as I've been working around the boat. Let's see how she goes. Start almost immediately. The engine too. Just spitting out water. Both sides. Change all the water hoses, raw water intake hoses, clean up the engines a little bit. But yeah, as you can see, all this electronics work. Including this one. Out how a thruster works. That sounder. I got her dock, as you can see. It's doing fine. So that's her on the docks here at Dakmars. You see all that solar panels, 1 kilowatt of power, makes plugging in optional. It's the back side. Canvas is all new. The cockpit cover too, they all come down. No ice and glass. The canvas is just so much more durable, and when you're on the way you would want to roll them up anyways. This thing, I don't know what's going on there. I don't typically use it, but here's the inverter and it works. There you go, the needle goes up. We've got voltage. So this is how I check what's going on with the boat's electrical system. And you can see here that I've got 2 solar chargers. One is producing about 100 watt, the other one is producing 68 watt. Bear in mind, it's slightly overcast. It is fall, getting towards winter here in Everett. But yeah, these 2 solar chargers and a bunch of DC to DC chargers ensures that all the battery banks are topped up. They're all above 12 volts, and I like to keep them that way. So yeah, your batteries, as long as they're good, should always be charged. That makes it a lot easier to start up. Also reduce the risk of the boat getting flooded and not having the power to run the bilge pumps, stuff like that, especially when you're away, you're not on the boat, it's heavy rain and all that stuff. So it comes with 2 trolling motors. You can use them as stern thrusters. They're pointed, they're pointed off to the side, so one points that way, the other one points into the starboard side, and yeah, you can use them as stern thrusters, or if you're on the way and you want to save fuel, go fishing, troll around, they do run. There's a 100 amp circuit breaker here that turns the motors on and off. They're tied to the remote, so you don't have to lift the helm. You can control that from here, like this, right on the right side. That goes maximum speed. You can kind of see that it brought the stern to the starboard already. But yeah, this is the Snohomish River. There is just too much current right now to really pull the boat in. Like, this line is really taut, but it is pushing us off to the docks. 55 pounds of thrust there. I'm gonna turn it off. Simple as that. Turn the other one on. Back here. Yeah, this thing is running. Another cool feature about the boat, there is heat pump here. Heats and cools the cabin. There are 2 portholes out there, right here. You can open it like that, get some air. Same thing here in the head, especially the head, right after you're done. It's also frosted for privacy, obviously. Pump is new. This pump here is new. Added the toilet roll holder over there. So it's very dry. Now it has about half a tank on the port side and 3/4 of a tank on the starboard side. $3,300 hours approximately on the port side, and then on the starboard side 3,160. Yeah, the engine runs really smooth. As we can see, the smoke, good water flow. And this is in winter too, where the temperature is cold. So up here we've got the heat pump, 2 solar chargers, the port side, starboard side. 3 kilowatt inverter. That is hooked to a lithium 3.6 kilowatt of lithium battery in there. There's a fan here to keep the battery cool in summer up here. It's hooked to the van over there. Feature I like about this boat is the bimini is new. It's only 1 year old. You can see that. Very dry up here on the flybridge. Work has been done to repair the flybridge. Replace the seating that was rotten. And yeah, you've got a lot of solar panels. For power generation, charge your trolling motor.